Project X. Starting brand new this year, gonna be awesome. We're gonna start off doing some invisibles, and then later on some rock work and other murals. Gotta produce skulls. It's gonna be a busy time here. So come on board, people. Let's get this bad boy. Hey, this is Stuart Smith from Stuart Designs. We're at a haunt that cannot be named at this present time, so we're going to call it Project X. And we're going to be throwing down all sorts of things. So while I'm waiting to go on some of my trips, and this whole coof thing is over, I got plenty of work here, and it's going to be awesome. So we're producing skulls, we got invisible work to do, UV, regular murals, rock work, cave work. It's gonna be great. So we're gonna have a shitload of videos coming for that, and we're gonna throw down. So I really appreciate you coming on board. Please subscribe, like, share, and hey, look, we have a bunch of stuff in the description below, both some playlists and other videos, plus our Stuartizm.shop. If you want some of my artwork on swag, get it there. It's right in the description. Appreciate you guys coming on board. We'll see you in the next video. Take care.
All right. Sometimes, as the artist on board, some of the stuff you do is not so, glamorous, but totally functional. Now I have this character here that's been put in, and they built a superstructure to make sure maintain its weight and make sure nothing would happen when it came out to the customers. But it's done out of raw wood. They're gonna hang body bags off of it and things like that, but it needs to go bye-bye. So with the trusty automotive spray gun, we're gonna black all those boards out, make sure that they don't reflect any of the show lighting. And it's just a really, really cheap, easy way to make a cool area totally functional without having to buy a whole bunch of stuff. Now, on the other hand, here's the other option too. It is a great money saver when it comes to this, because if you were to employ some kids with paintbrushes and stuff, they're gonna spend hours and hours going over all that 2x4 structure, when in a very brief amount of time, it can be attacked with the automotive spray gun. So just FYI, when it comes to that, spending $50 on a gun from Home Depot and then being able to conquer all sorts of areas, because there's not only this area, there's a whole bunch of areas in the haunt where I need to take care of some raw wood issues, along with all the artistic stuff, all the murals and things of that nature. So just FYI, guys, this is a great thing to do. Just get a spray gun, decent compressor. We're running about 70 PSI. It's a gravity feed gun. Home Depot, they have a black version and they have a silver version. I suggest the black version. It's just a couple bucks more, but it works out great and it runs a lot better. So, hey, there we go. Enjoy, people. I'm going to throw some pictures at the end of the video of some of the other areas that need to be taken care of. And then, hey, more videos are going to be coming. So thank you so much for coming on board. Please subscribe, tell your friends. And once this coof thing is over, we're going to be heading out and about. We got several projects in Texas, Alabama, New Hampshire, New York, all sorts of places. So come on board. Come on board the adventure, people. Thanks for watching. Here are just some pics of some of the areas that need to be repainted. There's damage, but there's also new construction. So we have a lot of new things coming up. There'll be an awful lot of rock work to be done, distressing, cobwebbing, more foam work, and we'll be producing a bunch of skulls and then blending them into the walls, especially in the lobby area and the queue line. So there'll be a lot of videos coming on board, people, so enjoy. Some of which I won't be able to produce because the lighting's so bad, but we'll work on it as best we can. none the same. So not only do I have all the travel work, but we'll be doing a whole bunch right here close to home. Y'all take care. See you on the next video.